All right, I'm gonna walk you through our Lewes beach house. It was built, I think, in 2002, so we've been the only owners. And so I'm gonna walk you through. The first floor is not really a bedroom, but there's a full-size futon here. The garage is on either side, I'll show you that later. Then there is a half bath right off the side of this. I'm going to continue up and take you up the elevator to the third floor, and then we will work our way down. Now I'm exiting the elevator. You can see here's our kitchen. It's kind of a U shape with all the amenities you need. And there's the great room. We have a table with 6 chairs. There are 4 bar stools over here, and then a very small deck in the back with a coffee table and 4 Adirondack chairs. Scrolling around, you'll see the seating area in our living room, where we have a chair and a half with an ottoman, a love seat, and a sofa, and then a wicker chair. You'll see the television, and then the sliding doors that take you to the deck. On this deck, we have, of course, the view, which I will show you. You can see the ferry off to the right, and I'm going to scroll all the way up north. And Lewes faces north, so you actually get to see the sunrises and the sunsets from the deck, which is really pretty. And I'm going to come around here so you can see the seating arrangements. We have 2 chases, and then we have a table with 7 chairs, I think, right now, and an umbrella. All right, heading back in. So from the kitchen, there's a master bedroom on the 3rd floor. We're walking into right now. Here's a closet with some games. And then if I move forward, you'll see we have a king-size bed, a small TV, and a dresser. This set of sliding glass doors leads to that large deck that you were just on. If you pull the blinds up, you get more of that view. And if I scroll around as slow as I can, you'll see there is a bathroom with a tub, shower, and double sink. Moving down from the 3rd floor to the 2nd floor, I'm taking the stairs, and you'll see right in front of you, this door leads to the laundry room, which has a full-size washer and dryer. To the left, that's the 2nd floor elevator door. Moving on, we have a full-size bathroom with a shower and toilet and single sink. And probably this bathroom would go to this bedroom back here, which has 2 twins and a closet. And this has an access to the small deck, which has 2 Adirondack chairs. This deck also, there's another way to get to it from another bedroom. This is a long hallway to get to the last of the bedrooms. So here's another one. We call this the surfer room. 2 twins, and there's access to that same small deck you just saw. I'm going to walk you through the Jack and Jill bathroom. So we have a double sink, full shower, toilet, and then if I open this door, here's, I think we call this pink Hawaiian or something like that. So this is another room with 2 twins. That's at the front of the house. If I come over here to the left of this hallway, this is the other master bedroom. It's got a king-size bed. It's got a full bath attached. Does not have a tub, but it has a stand-up shower and all the other things you would expect. Just a single sink here. So from this room, and also from the end of the hallway, you can get to a small covered deck. The covered deck is on the 2nd floor, and you get a view of everything going on in front of the house. All right, now walking back down to the first floor. Here's that elevator door that we already have seen. And there's the full-size futon and the half bath. If I twist around to that back door, you'll see that's where the grill is. And off to the left is a single outdoor shower. If I continue to twirl around here and head back out the front door, you'll see on my right and left there are doors to either garage. They're single garages. On the left, we have a few bikes you're welcome to use and some kayaks you're welcome to use. On the other garage, or in the other garage, we have beach chairs, beach toys, you know, again, anything that's in here you can use. Hope you enjoyed the tour.